Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Monday.com time tracking and dashboards, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install time tracking on Monday.com, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the specific board where you want to enable time tracking. Click on the Add Column button located on the right side of your board. From the drop-down menu, select Time Tracking from the available column options. Give your time tracking column a helpful name, such as time spent or hours worked. Click Add to create the new column, and you'll see it populate. Next, locate the item for which you want to track time. Click on the play button in the time tracking column to start tracking time. Once you're finished, click Stop to end the tracking session. To view your time tracked, click on the time tracking cell for that item. This will display a pop-up with the total time tracked for that specific task. Now that you've set up time tracking, let's move on to adding dashboards. From your Monday.com dashboard, click on Dashboards in the left sidebar. Select New Dashboard to create a new dashboard. Give your dashboard a creative name relevant to your project or team. Choose the layout that best fits your needs. Next, click on Add Widget to start customizing your dashboard. Select the time tracking widget to visualize your tracked time data. After adding the widget, configure it according to your preferences. You can customize the settings to display time data by specific teams, projects, or tasks. Once configured, click Done to save your widget settings. Your dashboard will now display the time tracking information you've selected. Feel free to add more widgets to visualize additional data or metrics. Remember to regularly update your tracking and review your dashboard to monitor progress effectively. This completes your setup for time tracking and dashboards in Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.